Trail Brothers here. Today we will do the project exercise for module exercise for use employee agents to get work done. So let's get started. Okay, let's click here. Okay, now you have to create a cloud developer edition. You can use York Mail for a dummy email. You have to go here, put your name, email address, and then you have to wait for a few minutes. Email will come, then you have to create your password. Okay, so let's get right ahead. I have already the org set up. After creating the org, you have to connect the org here. On clicking the connect org, put your credentials and then connect it. So let's get started. For the first one is easy. Yeah. Okay, then we have to click setup. We have to go to the Einstein setup. Einstein setup. Then we have to turn on the Einstein and then refresh. In the setup, uh, this is the setup. If you're wondering, on the top right, click here, a new tab will open, and then you have to click copy paste Einstein and then click here. It's refresh, then try again. Einstein setup here. Just wait for a few minutes after just clicking once. Okay, here it is. We have to make sure that it is turned on. That's it's turned on. Okay, we have to go to the agent force, and then we have to turn it on, and then we have to go to the app launcher and Coral Cloud Resorts. Let's go to the agent force. Agent force. Let me check. Agent force Studio. Let's click here. Let's click on the agent force agents. Okay, we have to turn it on. Okay, refresh. Now it's on. Then we have to go here in the app. Okay, in the top left. Here, copy paste. Yes, click here. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, we are here. Let's go back and click on check challenge. Okay, let's click continue. Tackle the next unit. Okay, now we are here. Now we have to make sure that we're using the agent. We're in the app. Refresh your browser, then click this to open the agent. Shows the coral color that you have access to. Okay, then guest agent should be selected. If it's not select, then select. Okay, some things are refreshed. Okay, then you need to clear instruction text from. If you see a message, zero click got it. Okay, go to your here. Now we have agent force here. Click here on the top right, then click got it. We have to make sure that the guest agent is there. Okay, it's loading. Let's see. Let's go back to the Trailhead. In the agent force panel, copy and paste this, then hit return. Okay, if you see, make sure the guest agent is selected. Okay, we'll have to click her reservation 16 to view the reservation detail page. Okay, it's ready now. There is no loading screen. Let's just click this. Okay, It's loading, it's processing. Here is okay, I think yes, here it is. You have to just wait for a few seconds to load. Okay, we have to click here to view the page. Okay, that's it. We can see all the details here. Okay, now copy and paste this. Available, it is available. Now we have to copy paste this prompt. What we're doing here is we are using the agent abilities to upgrade the reservation for our customer here, Lucy Todd. Is available. Okay, then we have to make sure to move her to the reservation, and okay, then the room type will be changed. Let's see, you can see she has deluxe. We have to move her to the presidential suite because she's our very loyal customer and we don't want her to have a bad experience. Okay, she's been moved, was updated. Let me refresh so that we can see here the room type. Oh, you can see the presidential suite has already been updated. Okay, let's move to the next step. It's still not, make sure that it's still selected. We have to make sure to generate an email uh, to let the Lucy know that we have upgraded your experience. So let's paste this prompt. Okay, then send. January 18. Yes, we have everything. Uh, then what do we have to do? You then click send email. Send email. Now we have to click send email. Okay. Send email. It has not given me the button, but I have just select the prompt send email. Okay, here is your result. Now we have this. Click send email. And yes, here it is. We just have to click send. Let me see, the body is not updated. Yes, here it is. Now click send. That's it. I think this is done. Now let's check it and move on to the next unit. It is verified now. Let's go to the next unit. Okay, now we have a missing diaper bag and we have to create a case. We can do it with the agent. Click the agent and then we have to select customer service and then we have to copy paste this. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, copy paste this prompt. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay, the case is created. Okay, okay, here we are. We have created the missing diaper. As you can see here, it just takes a bit of time. Let's go to the next one. Okay, Here you can see we have to assign the case. To click the case number, okay, we will click the case number here. Let's click this. Okay, information appears about the case that we have created through our agent. Make sure that you have selected the customer service. Okay, in the agent, reassign this to housekeeping, and then the case will be reassigned to housekeeping. Okay, now we have everything here. Let's here, okay, let's type in. As you can see, enter. It is assigned to me, so let's reassign this to housekeeping. Okay, it is assigned to housekeeping. Okay, then just let's escalate the case. Okay, we have escalated it, and yes, let's copy paste this prompt, select enter. The case status will be changed. Okay, let's refresh here. Okay, the case status has been updated. Nice, congratulations. Let's verify the challenge. Okay, let's go to the next challenge. Okay, here what we have to do, in the call we have to cancel the experience. Select general agent, and we have to select. Then we have to copy paste this prompt, and click the booking number for the 2:30 p.m. session. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to the general agent. Let's select this one. Let it load. Okay, copy paste this. We have to change the bookings for Miss Tumi, our customer, test customers that the Salesforce has already created for us here. Okay, here we have to select the 231. I think it's 10793 23. Okay, this is click here. I think this is the booking that we have to cancel. Please cancel the booking tied to this session, and the booking will be status will be updated. Right now it is confirmed. Let's cancel this. Okay, we have cancelled it. Let's refresh the website. As you can see, status is updated. Okay, let's see, book a new session for them. Let's paste this in here in the general agent. Click here, select, let it load here. Okay, let's click. We are doing everything from our agent. That's the good thing about the employee agent that we are using. Okay, here's the next available session. Now we have to tell the agent book it for the family. Okay, okay, we have created the session, new booking for them. I think that's it. Let's go verify and complete this challenge. Okay, thank you everyone for following me along, and congratulations, you have completed this module. Kindly subscribe and follow my channel, and suggest this channel to your friends, family, and also enable the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from me. And also keep the feedback coming. I am trying my best to improve. Thank you.